Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to use Square Appointments Scheduler app. If you're looking for an easy way to manage bookings, schedule appointments, and keep track of your clients all in one place, then this app can be really helpful. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to install the app, how to create an account, and how to start scheduling appointments. I'll also show you some of the main features, like setting your availability, adding services, and managing your bookings. So make sure you watch the video until the end so you don't miss any important steps. Now let's get started. First thing we want to do is search up Square Appointment Scheduler and install and open it for me. I've already installed it, all I need to do is open it. After opening it, we will create an account if we don't already have, but if we do, we will just have to sign up. After signing up, it will ask us to enable two-step verification, and we will choose the one from the two methods and click continue. And then it will ask us about our business. Then we will check all the boxes and click allow after each check. Then click next. After that, it will ask us to enable tap to pay for me. I don't want to, but if you want, enable tap to pay. Then the application starts, where it starts at the scheduling calendar. We will tap the day we want, and the create appointment option appears where we are going to click it. We will fill out specific information about the appointment starting from the customer name by tapping the add customer icon. If the customer's name is not there, we can add it by tapping the plus sign at the top right corner. After filling out information about the customer, we will click save at the top right side of the screen. We can scroll down and tap date and time at the all day section to edit the scheduled date. Then after editing the date, we will click save. Make sure you fill out all the information before clicking save. Then you can see the day we scheduled in blue. We can also go to the checkout section at the bottom and add money to the keypad and add note to the money we are sending. After that, we will click review sell and add the customer we want, and also we can add discount and the items and services. Then click change. We can also go to library and review the sale by tapping review sale and edit the sale right there. We can also tap gift cards, and we can sell a plastic gift card or sell an e-gift card or check balance or reload card. We can also tap rewards and reward the customer we want. We can also give discounts, services, and also packages. We can also search our customers if we want to by clicking Customers tab at the bottom middle, and also click the filter icon at the top right to give filter to our search and click apply at the top right. We then also read our inbox by tapping Messages tab at the bottom. We can also tap the More tab at the bottom and look at our items and services, online booking, waitlist, notification, invoices, transactions, orders, reports, banking, add-ons, bill pay, subscription, support, setup, and settings. Before we finish, let's quickly recap what we learned in this video. I showed you how to download the Square Appointments Scheduler app, set up your account, and start managing your appointments directly from your phone. This app is a great tool for organizing bookings and keeping your schedule simple and efficient. Once you understand the basics, it becomes very easy to use. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again in the next tutorial. Goodbye.